Hi everyone, Jonathan here. Today I'm going to go through a overview of our latest automation agent, which is a lead qualifying and management agent. Now, this agent has been designed to complement your sales function within your business, and it works by taking a lead that you've obtained, whether that's through an event and let's say a Google form or a lead capture form that you might have on your stand. It could already exist in your CRM. It could be on a spreadsheet. It could come from anywhere, right? You feed that lead into our lead manager. So this is the start of the automation here, and their role is to qualify that lead based on your existing sales metrics. So you might review based on company size, location, industry, things like that. The lead manager will do some research in the background and decide whether that lead is a qualifying lead or an unqualified lead. And all of those metrics are customized to your business, so it's not a one size fits all. We understand what you want and configure the agent accordingly. Whether it's qualified or unqualified, they pass into this step, this second stage of the automation. So step one of this is research. So using Google and LinkedIn, the agent will research the name of the business and the individual that inquired initially and build a profile out of the business and the individual itself, and will output that into a Google Sheet. So if I click on this Google Sheet, for example, we get this sort of output, which I'll go in more detail in a minute, but an overview of the contact's name, their contact details, company overview, lead summary is a summary of the individual themselves, company size, and whether they're likely to hire or buy, depending on your terminology, and is that person a decision maker? And that's just on a high, low, medium, and everything in between scale. Back to our flow, only the qualified leads go into step two, and this is a really powerful tool. The call script tool will take all of that research that's been done and create a custom call script for that individual and that business with personalization within their specific questions that you might want to ask them based on their industry. And all of this is done within a matter of seconds. So if we were on a stand with somebody and they filled in our Google form, this entire process will work. And probably before they've left you, you'll have this profile of that individual and their company ready for you to feed into your sales process. So I'm going to run this quickly and try and bring this to life for you. So our lead generation form is already filled out, so I'll submit that through. And so that's gone from our Google form into our lead manager, and I'm just going to run this in the background so that the flow starts working. Now what's happening is our lead manager is currently trying to qualify or unqualify that lead and run each of these processes. So okay, that's now running. If we go on to here, here's our automation working. So we're currently using the lead researcher. So we're into step one, research being completed, and we're building that profile of that individual and that company as well. So we've completed that, and we're now outputting that to Google Sheets. So if I click on this, it gives you that overview, very similar to what I showed you before in the spreadsheet. This is where it gets the information from. Let me refresh and see where we're up to. So we're just about to complete this now. So call script is now, so this lead has been qualified through to stage two and is now having a bespoke call script created. So if we go back on here, here's an overview of that call script. So it uses the research and it creates this cold calling script that you and your sales team can use when you re-engage that lead. And then finally it saves it. This is currently being saved into Google Docs, but it can be saved into your CRM if you have one. But here's an overview of that call script. It gives you an introduction, a sort of personalized hook. So based on that research, it gives you that personalized introduction for you, and then some situational or various questions you can use, and then a close. The idea here is to give you a prompt or some sort of advice or guidance on that sales call, and you can tweak this obviously as you go. And that's it really. It's pretty simple. As you can see, that ran in probably 60 seconds. You get a nice neat overview. You can have this pinged to you via email, for example. So the email would look like this. You get the company summary, the lead summary, and a link to your call script. So yeah, hopefully you can see some value in that, and thank you for watching.